Curly on back there. I will bring them all out. I want y'all to know this band that's up on stage with us right now. We toured the country with these guys. We've done probably more than any other band. We've done shows with this band, and if there's ever a time to tell you, whenever there's only one song every night when I'm warming up to play a show for you people, wherever you are, I sing usually our songs because I try to figure out how much trouble I'm in. And there's one song that I sing that's not mine, and I know that if I can sing it, that everything else is going to be okay. And that was written by this man right here, this band behind me here, the Alternate Roots. I have loved this song for so long, and you know it. It's my favorite. So this is the most indulgent thing I've ever done. I want to. Well, it's the only way I'll ever get you up here singing it. You want to introduce this song?
I just want to say, leave it up to a band like Red, White, and Blue to get all these artists together right before their show. It is the best part of the Rock Boat, and they make it happen every year, and thank you so much. We wrote this song to be in situations like this. This is one of the honors of Eric and my career to have the Red, White, and Blue fellas get up here and play it for us. Here we go. Down in your heart, don't let the road take you too far from me. Late in the daylight, late in the day, turn your head slowly and turn it away. Come on, call me when you need me, but please believe me. I believe me that you're standing on the edge of something good, but it's not hard to say you ever had to do. And truth be told, you're begging on your knees, singing, please don't let it, please don't let it be. And if you get lonely part of the time, if you start losing part of your mind, down